Hello and welcome to Explore Hayat. As the saying goes, health is wealth, and we all believe in it. That's why we all try to maintain our health. If the good health is not there, we don't enjoy anything, literally anything. Today, we are honored to welcome a distinguished guest to our podcast, a leading nutritionist and a consultant, clinical dietitian. With an impressive MPhil distinction and a track record of groundbreaking research, she has garnered recognition, including a prestigious Japan Research Award and an invitation to the International Nutritional Congress in Japan in the year 2022. Her dedication to helping others achieve their health goals is evident in her role as a nutrition educator and consultant, guiding individuals in weight loss, muscle building, and dietary disease management. Currently, she is at the forefront of research on HIV and cancer, contributing to global health through her work with the Frontier International Journal. Without further ado, let's extend a warm welcome to our guest, Fatima Jawad. Okay, what about the people, those who sometimes they take another course in their life and they just say, okay, fine, we are eating only healthy, and that's how they become non-veg, some of non-veg, and some are vegan.
Vegan, yeah.
So how do you say to them, do they get enough of the nutrients, what is required for their living, the energy level, the proteins, the carbs and everything? Or how?
Yeah, it depends on person to person as well. If the person is having some health problem like hypertension, they should go for vegan diet,
If they have
vegetarian diet.
hypertension.
Yeah, hypertension
Okay.
or kidney, like kidney problems. So in kidney, protein is restricted.
Yeah.
Yeah, and hypertension is also low protein, like
So it's kind of a treatment for the people with the hypertension or some other problems, go
to
for vegan
avoid,
diet.
Yeah, if people like, I have seen the interview of John Abraham
Yeah.
in Kapil Sharma show. He was saying that now, because I was before literally crush on John Abraham, and I used to watch his movies and like that. Then I saw his interview. He told me that I have gone to the vegan diet now. So maybe now he's over 40 or like that. So he is having some health issues, health problem, because after 40 it's normal then to having if you are taking too much protein or something, your kidney are not able to, everything is degenerated by the time. So like that, our kidneys are not as healthy as we are in 30s. But when we go to the 40, they go to the vegan diet to kidney to extract properly and everything. So like that, it depends. But you can take the protein as well. It's good to take protein
In the form of meat?
For everyone. I don't recommend to go for just a vegan diet. Yes, if you want to lose weight or if you have any health concern, then if you have any health issue, then you can go for the vegan diet. But you add the protein, good
You add
protein.
the protein,
Yeah,
yeah.
fish is very good.
Yeah, fish.
Add fish in your diet if you are restricted for
White
the
meat
protein.
is good.
Yeah, white is
Even in
also good. In
chicken.
chicken we go for the leaching process,
Okay.
because chicken is full of steroids. If you eat steroid, even in the healthy chicken, you meat in the steam or you meat in the grilled or something, even they have steroid, because of the lot of demand of and supply of chicken. They are giving the injection to the chicken to grow up faster, and their meat is full of what do you call this hormones,
Yeah.
hormones and steroids.
Steroids.
Yeah, steroids. And then when we eat, this steroids comes in our body, in our children's body. So for that, we go for the leaching process. Leaching process is that whenever you buy a chicken, just wash it off and put it in a lemon or vinegar for 20 minutes.
For 20
leave
minutes,
it,
okay.
yeah, leave it, and then wash it, or don't wash it, or wash it, just drain it. Okay, then you will see the chicken, how it's shining, how it's clear. And also the leaching process is there is curd water, it's lassi or something like that, you can put also into it.
Okay.
Yeah, marinated with the yogurt and lemon, like that, and then you can cook it. So,
Then it is okay.
Yeah, then your all the steroids and chemicals will be removed
Okay.
out
All-
of it. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the hazards have been removed in this
Yeah.
way, in this with this process,
Yeah.
and it's okay to eat chicken then.
Yeah.
And then it can be barbecued, or it
Yeah.
could be just made as a
Yeah.
normal.
For vegetable, I also suggest this
Should be done?
because there are a lot of pesticides which
Oh,
cause
yeah.
cancers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So,
So better let it go through the leaching process.
leaching process.
It's also for 20 minutes or less.
No, just 5 for 10
5 for
minutes
10
for
minutes.
vegetable is okay. Just put some lemon water or vinegar and
Or
put
vinegar, not and vinegar. So lemon and vinegar, no.
no
Either or.
either lemon or
Or
vinegar.
okay, cool.
Yeah, or vinegar. Just put some drops of that in water and put your vegetable into it, and then take it out, and then you can
Brilliant.
ready
That's
to.
such a good advice actually, because in everyday's food, people they eat chicken, they cannot avoid it. Like
Yeah.
many people,
Yes,
even
no,
their
it's
children.
difficult to avoid
Yeah,
chicken.
yeah.
Yeah.
And as you said, that it's better to have a balance. You should have proteins, you should have carbs, you
Yeah.
should have vitamins. So
Yeah.
everything should be there.
Yeah.
Even some dairy in a plate.
Dairy.
So everything, a combination makes it a balanced diet.
Two servings of fruit every day is must for our body health. So
Two
you don't
servings
need
of
2 to 3 servings of fruits.
Fruits, okay, yeah.
Fruits and salad with every meal. It's really good for your skin, nail, hair, and all deficiencies will
Yeah.
be covered in your body.
Right.
And if you are taking smoothies, also really good.
smoothies are good.
Yeah, smoothies.
How about
really
the
good.
juices?
No, fruit juices, no, not recommended.
Not recommended. That's what I was reading. That's why I asked you.
One fruit has a lot of sugar already. If you take one orange, it has already a lot of sugar. Okay,
Yeah.
so if you take one glass of orange juice, it has 2 or 3 oranges.
Oh, yeah.
And then it is come in a form of fructose, which converted in again in sucrose in your body.
Yeah.
So it will convert in the fat.
Fat, yeah.
And then the same process which I explained before.
How about
yeah.
smoothie then?
Yeah, smoothie is very nice.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's
good.
better in-
It's good for your digestion, good
Yeah.
for health. It's antioxidant for your body.
Right.
So
right.
it fight with the diseases also.
Yeah.
It enhance your immune system. But you
Yeah.
take the right ingredients of the smoothies. They can use. I suggest to replace the sugar with the jaggery.
Yeah.
But jaggery should also limited with the 2 teaspoon per day.
Not
And-
more than that.
Yeah, not more than
Yeah.
that. So if you can also take the date sugar as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah, date sugar. There are some. If you are craving for sweets, you can eat the figs.
Figs, yeah.
In Urdu, I will explain what
Anjeer?
do you call anjeer.
Yeah.
Anjeer figs, or you can take one date
Yeah.
after the food, like that.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. How about the
So-
cakes and cupcakes
And cakes. The all bakery items are.
No.
No.
I see. Okay, coming to the diet plans, like I have seen many people to lose weight. They talk about keto diet. What do you have to say about that? Is it healthy?
Once I was working on my research, my supervisor, she told me to research on keto diet.
Yeah.
So we did a lot of research on keto diet.
Okay.
Then I found that one Indian celebrity, she died during keto diet, and so many people. Then I searched during the keto diet died.
So many people died?
Yeah, died.
Was it because of the keto diet? Or maybe
less-
some other reasons?
Yeah. Let me explain.
Sure.
Yeah. That what happens in keto diet, that it is diet is actually to lose weight. It is designed to lose weight, but it's rich. 75% of your diet is fat. So they replace carbs and protein with the fat to use the energy. So, do you think 75% fat is healthy for our body in each meal? It's not healthy for our body.
How does it take 70% of fat in the meal?
Yeah, they are eating cheese, they are eating mayonnaise, they are eating oils, they are eating bulletproof tea. Like, if they are drinking tea, they are putting 1 teaspoon of oil in the tea, and then they don't feel hungry, so they don't eat
yeah.
like that. It's bulletproof tea like that. Or how many slices of cheese, whenever you feel hungry, eat a cheese with with a patty or without patty, eat a cheese, or eat cream, full fat cream, full fat milk,
I see.
like that. So I always recommend. I forgot to tell about the dairy. Whenever you're going to purchase a dairy, always take the low fat.
Always low fat.
Even in the cheese also.
And
Even
yogurt.
in the feta cheese or cottage cheese also, choose a low fat
Low fat.
feta and cottage. So
I see.
yeah.
So keto is not healthy, you think?
For me, as per the
don't
latest
recommend it.
research, not recommended. Because so many people. One person came from to me. He was doing keto with some nutritionist in the Dubai. Sorry to say, but I don't know the name of the hospital. He came to me and he was telling me that look at my khandura, see how much I lost my weight. But my body is becoming like a lady. He was having chest like ladies. So he was having the hormonal disorder, and one of he was also doing the keto. And one of then I asked him to go for the hormone profile and come back to me. So then we can realize then which hormone is disturbed, so then
Right.
we can fix it. Then after that, one lady also came. She was doing the keto. Then she had the hair baldness, bald hair loss,
Okay.
and white hair and hair loss. And also, most of the people are having skin problem because it's deficient in the vitamins and minerals. So they this I told you, this 3 hours macro, this 2 and this 2 hours micro. Micro hours vitamin and mineral, and this 3 are protein, fat, and carb. So
Okay.
these main ingredients, protein, fat, and carb, needs for our body to function, to body to build, to for our resting, energy expenditure, for everything properly working, functioning. So if these 2 are not there, vitamin and minerals, these 3 will not work.
I see.
So these 2 are working as catalyst, micronutrients, vitamin
Right.
and mineral. So these are the main ingredients. These are the
Yeah.
catalyst, vitamin and minerals. If
Yeah.
vitamin and minerals, fruit and vegetables are not there, this will not be utilized.
But you
Yeah.
mentioned about the carbs, not to take carbs.
Yeah, I asked to take carbs in a form of quality carbs like ragi flour
Oh, yeah.
and other different, chana flour and other different kinds of, chia
Yeah.
seeds, and
Yeah.
there are a lot
Flax
of
seeds.
flax seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are so many flours have come
Yeah.
now. You can
Black
check.
seeds and
Yeah,
all.
yeah. You can
Yeah.
mix all the flour.
So
and
they
you
are
can
all
mix,
carbs? They are all these seeds are
yeah,
carbs? Or
protein
they're
based
fibers?
they are protein based carbs.
Protein-based carbs.
They are wrapped in protein, and they are not a simple chain carbo. They are not
Yeah,
simple carbs which
yeah,
will
complex.
convert into it. They are complex carbs.
Yeah.
They will not convert directly into the fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
They
will
will
break
be
into down
digest.
further
They
and
have
then-
they have a lot of fiber,
Yeah.
and they will become a protein. And protein has a quality. The main quality of the protein is that it puts automatically your BMR on high. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah, which is good. So
Yeah.
you will when you add protein in your diet, you automatically you will lose your weight.
So when we talk about protein diet,
Yeah.
again, it's like for the understanding of the people, because once we talk about protein, we talk about the meat. We talk about beef and the mutton and lamb and chicken and fish and shrimps and everything, right? And then the white meat and the red meat. So what protein forms in the form of the meats, these meats which I mentioned to you, should be recommended and should not be recommended?
It also depends person to person,
Okay.
but I will recommend for general, when you take the meat for vegetarian and non-vegetarian. For both recommendation I will give, because
Yeah.
some people are vegetarian
Yeah.
and some people are non-vegetarian. So when you take the meat, trimmed all the fat.
Okay.
Yeah, animal fat. Remove all the animal fat. And this, what do you call this? Vegetarian diet, take legumes, kidney beans, and chana, black chana, white chana,
White peas
lentils,
and green peas and the
lentils,
lentils.
soya, so
Yeah. Soybeans.
Yeah, soya beans.
Yeah.
Soya beans, and there is soya vegetable also that
Yeah.
vegetarians are cooking.
So
This
they're
is
good in
yeah,
protein.
Protein, yes, very
Okay.
good sources of protein.
Very nice.
So and for the for
Non-veg.
like non-veg like us,
Yeah.
you know, chicken, and like we can take this one, go for the leaching process, and then,
And then eat
cut the fats, and then go for the grill or steam, or can cook in the 2 or 3 tablespoon of oil.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So it's okay. So this is very nice. So the carbs is also okay, but they don't have to be the processed carbohydrates.
Yeah.
They have to be more.
They also have a
natural.
percentage.
Yeah.
Take carbs only half plate, not more than. People are taking biryani full plate.
Yeah.
This much I'm saying.
So
in
there
the-
should be a good proportion of everything.
Yeah, good.
And that proportion you would
Yeah.
mention that like percentage
yeah,
wise.
the percentage I will mention that carbs you should take as per international US dietary guideline. We internationally everybody follow US dietary guideline.
Okay.
That is for the general for each and every person 60% carbohydrate,
Okay.
30 to 40% protein, and 20% fat and oil.
Okay.
That's the normal
Very
and you
nice.
add the physical activity in your everyday daily lifestyle.
Good.
Yeah.
And the way you mentioned in the beginning that everybody has got a different, unique signature, their body type.
Yeah.
And eye scan different, fingerprints different.
Yeah.
And then for every individual, there has to be a different plan based on the weight and the age and the height
Yeah.
and the activities they do every day.
Yeah.
So sounds
and better
metabolism, BMR and BMI.
BMI, yeah.
So based on all of them, there should be a plan for each individual.
Yeah.
It sounds to me like everybody needs you to make a plan for everyone.
No, everybody needs a proper dietitian. Go to the clinical dietitian, proper fitness nutrition specialist.
Yeah.
Because I have done my specialization from US.
Yeah.
And the research I have been for the fat dyslipidemia to save the cardiovascular disease from the world, because we are working right now on nutraceuticals. So all the world has now transferred from the pharmaceutical to the nutraceuticals.
Yeah. Please tell something about nutraceuticals.
Nutraceuticals are the bioactive compounds. It could be vitamins, minerals, and some extract of probiotics, and like extracts of plants bioactive compounds. So like if you go to any pharmacy in Dubai, you will not find most of now pharmaceuticals. You will see she will tell you, see, this is herbal, this is this one, this is good for you, this one, this is the treatment, this is best treatment. So I have worked on 25 nutraceuticals. That was my research which I won in Tokyo. So I worked on dyslipidemia. There are omega-3.
Yeah.
It is also
from the fish oil.
Yeah, fish oil is omega-3, and what do you call is plant stenol. That is also available in pharmaceutical, but it's prepared in the lab. We extract it from plant.
Right.
So this is plant stenol, and vitamin E, vitamin D from the milk, and what do you call dietary fiber. And there was one berberin is a plant that has a berberis chemical in it, and it's really, really good for those who are having hypertension and clogging the arteries. And it is the research that I have done, in which the vitamin B3 that is called niacinamide, which nowadays skin expert are using niacinamide on the skin.
True.
Like, it's also good for the internal health. Internal health, niacinamide, it reduces the fat in the body. Niacinamide, so it's actually niacinamide made for the skin, but for us it's niacin. So niacin is the vitamin. So there are a lot of nutraceutical is actually the combination of pharmaceutical and nutrition. So
Yeah.
it's a mixture of that.
Very
so,
nice.
Yeah.
So it's okay to take
It's
such.
okay. So, for example, like there is a one heart patient, we are giving them statin. Statin is a group of pharmacological pharmaceutical
Yeah.
medicine. Statin it has a lot of side effect. Organ failure. If you give them any organ failure, nose bleeding, air bleeding, and there are a lot of vomiting, nausea, and brain damage problem, other could be any other organ damage problem. So, and in your leg neuropathy and other different bones issues, with the excess is that they make statin to thin your blood.
Okay.
In a faster manner. So immediately they give to fast, the
Thinning of the blood?
thinning of the blood. So when the blood is thinning immediately, it's bleed from
Yeah,
nose,
yeah.
eyes, and like that.
And also
This
it's
thing.
quite dangerous because
it's really dangerous.
because inside internal damages can
Yeah.
be there and internal
Yeah.
bleeding can start.
Yeah, and your organ can be melt also. So for that I have researched and I found that vitamin B3 and dietary fiber is really good for this. This was the result of my research, that dietary fiber. Then we did the analysis from the softwares, research software and
Yeah.
everything. So then we found that berberine and niacin and dietary fiber. So once I will go to the Tokyo, then I will launch my medicine for this combination of this. All of this.
Okay.
Yeah, but first I have to make a randomized control trial on animal. I will do, then I will control trial will do on in my PhD will do on human.
Yeah.
And then will launch my medicine in the
Brilliant.
market.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah.
All set to do that.
Yeah, that's the thing that you take. And for heart disease, there are 150 types of heart disease: cardiovascular disease,
150
stroke.
types?
150 types of cardiovascular disease. Artery blockage in the brain, like brain hemorrhage, and artery blockage in the heart, cardiovascular disease, cerebral vascular disease, and there are so many more names of their people difficult to understand. And dyslipidemia, the cholesterol is high level and good fat is lower level. So LDL is very bad. Yeah.
HDL is better.
HDL is good.
Is
so
good.
you need to increase your HDL
Yeah.
and lower your
The good
HDL.
fat and the bad fat.
And sometimes there is confusion of the people. They are completely avoiding fat.
Yeah, they shouldn't.
They should not,
No.
because what are our vitamins? Shall I explain
Yeah,
about the
please.
vitamins and minerals are really important for us. People mostly avoid, and when they are buying from a healthy cafe, they are just focusing on macro and calories, that this much calorie I'll take, I'll lose my belly, and this much protein I need, this much carbs I need, this much like that I need. But they don't think about their micros. Micros are vitamins and minerals.
Yeah.
Vitamins in minerals there are two categories. One is water soluble vitamins, one is fat soluble vitamins. So water soluble vitamins we need to take every day because it's excreting in our urine. So that is B complex is water soluble, and C. B and C vitamins are water soluble, which is excreting every day.
Yeah.
So we can eat an orange per day, 2 orange per day. This is good for the vitamin C, and also a lemon juice in water. This vitamin C is really good source without sugar also. Where orange has a sugar and lemon doesn't have a sugar. So anybody who can tolerate lemon can take a lemon water per day. Vitamin C is
Yeah.
enough for per day.
Okay.
One lemon is okay. And
The
then,
whole lemon?
Yeah. Whole lemon or half lemon. whatever he can consume.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a 1 glass of water
Yeah.
is vitamin C is good. And for vitamin B complex, there is a lot of things are involved in B complexes, vegetables, and this you can take. B vitamins is also present in the proteins and also present in the carbs as well. So but mostly they are present in the vegetables. Yeah.
Okay.
Vegetables and fruits. Vitamin B complex.
Hmm.
And what are the most important vitamins which needs for our body? Vitamin A for our vision,
Okay.
D for our bone health.
Yeah. Okay.
That is called osteoporosis, and this disease in children for bone density problem. For this, vitamin D is really needed. So vitamin A, D, and the vitamin E is for hair, nails, skin health. Vitamin E. And K or vitamin K is for blood coagulation. Then when there is an accident, you fall down, you cut, then vitamin K works immediately and make clotting, blood clotting, and stop your blood from there. So these 4 vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble vitamins. So if you don't have a fat in your body, where this vitamin will be absorbed. So if you completely cut fat from your diet, where this vitamin will be absorbed, this vitamin will not be absorbed, and you will face the problem.
Very good.
Or even if you have a too much fat, it will be difficult also to absorb. Yeah.
Very, very interesting. Vitamin A. I like the idea. People don't have much vision.
Yeah.
They cannot see far. They can take vitamin A. Their vision will be better.
Yeah. Carrot is a very good source.
I'm talking about another vision, the visionary person. It's okay. The visionary person taking more vitamin A will become visionary.
You are talking about the goal vision?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, on a
Big
lighter mode.
picture?
Yeah, big picture.
Okay.
Okay, I wanted to ask you about the stevia. Sometimes people they find stevia as the replacement of the sugar. How
Yes.
about that?
Yeah, it's
Is it
good.
okay?
Good for diabetic patients.
Only.
Yeah, if you are on
Like a
weight
normal
loss
people?
diet,
Yeah.
if you are on weight loss diet, it's recommended to take stevia.
I see. It's
Yeah.
recommended.
Yeah, it's healthy.
But does
it's
it have
healthy.
any side effects?
No, stevia doesn't have, because
No.
lot of research has done. One of my mates, she has done research on this sweeteners,
Yeah.
and she found that stevia is really good. Is her research is also published. She's from South Africa, and she met me in Tokyo, and she has done research, and she found that stevia is the best among all artificial sweeteners are carcinogenic. So
That's what I thought.
yeah, because different kind of sugar sweeteners are carcinogenic. Carcinogenic are those compounds which cause cancer in your body. So this all sugar replacement and like tablets and sugar sweeteners are cancer causing. If you are diabetic and you don't know about the healthy sugar sweetener, and you are taking this unhealthy sweeteners, and it will cause cancer in diabetic patients, because they are already on risk. Diabetic patient is already on risk because they are not having a proper nutritional status if they are not taking proper diet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. What do you think about the food? Is there any relation of the food with your body and mind and the soul?
Yeah. Now
Is there any connection?
yeah, of course. Our body and mind has a connection, and we need to balance this connection. We need to focus. Nowadays there is a trend. If you are stressed, less order pizza, want to eat something, emotional eating, this is emotional eating, is from your brain, you're tense, you want to eat, okay, want to forget everything, just eat, order pizza, and eating a lot of pizza and like that. And then if you are doing a project, students are doing project, they are sitting in a fast food cafe or bakery items, cakes, and all bakery items are not recommended. They all have a rich in sugar and white flour. They are completely unhealthy. Samosas and like that, these kind of things they are eating, and they are doing their project, and they are sitting in the fast food restaurant, ordering the fried chicken and burger and fries.
this is very common,
Fries. These are and these I tell you, the French fries are more harmful than 10 cigarettes,
Is that
because
right?
this are lot of smoke in the oil which they are making, in the reuse and reuse and reuse and frying and frying and frying. So I want to educate the audience for the Fisabilillah. Please stop. Let your children to eat the fast food. May Allah save all of them, because when they go after 30 or that, they start having the problem, or maybe at the same time most of the children are in a very critical conditions because their parents don't have the nutrition education, and they are just giving the food that our child is happy with this food. So we are and like that, if we are celebrating something, we are focusing not in the cake, we are focusing on the decoration of the cake. Like there is a Barbie should be there, and frosting.
Yeah.
This all frosting is made of sugar frosting, cream and sugar
Yeah.
frosting. So it's completely unhealthy, and really that's why our worldwide population, like 70% or 80% are diabetic. So diabetes are really common that due to that, because our pancreas has a limit to make insulin, and insulin has a limit to utilize and absorb the sugar, but when the limitation is when limitation is stopped to absorb the sugar and utilize the sugar, then sugar is regulating in your blood. It will come in your blood and in urine. Then
Yeah.
you become diabetic. So
Right. So the
Yeah.
pancreas is basically trying to maintain the balance of the sugar in the
Yeah.
body and the
Yeah.
blood.
Yeah.
And the time when the over intake of these kind of a things,
Yeah.
like a sugar,
Yeah.
or as you mentioned,
There are so many things which convert into the sugar.
yeah.
There are so many foods which convert into the sugar.
This information is so vital, especially for many young ones, those who are in the universities, colleges, schools.
Yeah.
When they join together, most of the time, okay, let's give an order online, and they just order. The food
Yeah.
comes every time. Junk food comes,
Junk food.
and it is becoming like a norm for everyone.
Yeah.
So every day they need a junk food.
Junk food.
So this is something which really need a lot of education and awareness.
Yeah.
And since the parents, they don't know themselves,
Yeah.
so they are kind of blinded with the love, maybe, or with just ignorance.
Yeah.
They don't even want to stop them.
Yeah.
And they say it's okay. This is their age. Let them do it.
Let
No
them do it.
problem.
Yeah, no problem.
They
This-
don't see the
so-
consequences.
Yeah. But sometimes one of my patient, she asked me that if I am craving for sweet, what should I do? So I told her that for my family, at the late night craving for the sugar, like for my family, if I do, like I give them this much food, in the night time also, like chicken soup, or you can make chicken soup with the vegetable mix or something, give them, and this like this with the chicken chunks or like that. So if your stomach will full, you will not feel hungry. Makes when I make my diet plan, my patient or client says that this much food I cannot eat. So it doesn't mean that you eat. Some people are completely doing fasting. Okay, I'm fasting 24 hours, intermittent fasting, very too much fasting. So in Ramadan, we have also Allah Ta'ala given us the limitation
Yeah.
of the fasting, like from the morning, from the evening,
Yeah.
not more than that. But for the intermittent fasting, okay, for one window, small window is okay. But for the long hours, some people are doing for three days, four days, one days. They should listen to the mind, what their mind and body is asking. They are killing their body. Their body is crying for the nutrition. So they should eat. You can eat more and lose more, but eat healthy.
Yeah, true.
According to your calorie requirement.
Yeah. What importance do you have for the breakfast and all meals we have? Usually we have 3 meals a day.
Yeah.
If we consider 3 meals, then what is the importance of the breakfast in these 3 meals?
Yeah, breakfast is a very good question. I wanted to tell you before that most of the children, they are eating cereals in the breakfast, and some ready-made what do you call, cheese bread, or different kind of things.
Even the nuggets in the morning.
Nuggets, yeah, nuggets in the morning they are taking in the lunch box. And these cereals are simple carbohydrates. They are just putting some dry fruits in it to show that it's healthy, and they are showing on written is slim and fit, like that. But whenever you eat this, you will get more weight and more fat in your body, unhealthy fat, and these are damaging the activity of your children, and damaging the bones also. Sugar is not good for health. It's also high in sodium. I told you all the packaged food is high in sodium. So this cereals and what available is different. What do you call this in the this dabba, cereal dabba is
Cornflakes?
flakes.
Flakes?
Flakes.
Sugar-coated ones
Yeah,
and these
sugar-coated
ones.
ones. These are not healthy.
How
but
about-
I will.
Yeah. No, go ahead.
Yeah, I will suggest for the breakfast, go for the eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah, eggs are very healthy. Go for the eggs.
Any
boil.
form?
Yeah, any form.
Yeah, what
Omelette,
if- yeah, omelette.
add vegetables. Omelette. Go for boil egg. Go for even if you want to half fry, or even
Yeah.
want to fry
Yeah.
egg in a shallow fry. Egg is
It's okay.
Yeah, it's nice. Egg is really good for the breakfast. When you eat egg in the morning, literally there is one protein in the egg which you cannot find in your body does not make it, and it is essential. There are two type of protein. One is essential amino acid, is non-essential. So non-essential are those which our body makes. Essentials are those which our body does not make, so which we need to take from the food. So egg is a complete of those essential amino acids which our body needs. So this is there is one amino acid which also control your hunger. So you can also give multigrain bread to the children, or also you can give desi ghee, paratha desi ghee.
Okay. Ghee is good?
Yeah, and desi ghee.
Good. Desi ghee is good?
This should be pure,
Yeah.
desi ghee, and but not too much. Just one tablespoon you make paratha, and one tablespoon you put
Okay,
on it,
okay.
and give to your children if you want to make look healthier. This and egg. This is really good. I told you whichever grandparents used to give us, they were better than PhDs in nutrition. And
Yeah.
So this kind of thing. And also for breakfast, one more thing I want to tell you, that you have heard the name of panjiri, which we give to the women which after delivery. This like the mixture of dry fruits. You can make the laddu mixture of mixed powder of the dry fruit. Make the laddu with the desi ghee.
What's the main
and
ingredient of it?
Like
Semolina?
like almonds, mixed dry fruit almonds, and walnuts, or pistachio, or gum,
Okay.
and all such kind of the
Okay.
dry fruits. Make the laddu, and you can add the jaggery little bit for the taste, and make with the desi ghee, and then this is very good.
Should be taken in the breakfast.
Yeah, for if the child is very thin, so you can give them this, so he will gain weight very fast also. Banana shake is also good.
Okay.
Yeah, without sugar, make banana shake. Banana has it has a lot of sugar also.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Very good to hear that. And if you have to pick 3 foods for a super healthy meal for yourself, what will be your ultimate combo?
Super meal.
Yeah, if you have to make one meal, 3 meals to make a combo. So what would you say?
Lunch, breakfast, and dinner.
Yeah. You say it's a healthy meal. So what 3 dishes you would like to make and you still enjoy as a ultimate combo for yourself? For example, you go and in a fast food, they give you a combo of 1 burger, 1 French fries, and 1 soft drink.
Yeah.
So for you,
That
what combo would you make for yourself?
I understood the question you are asking, but that's I told you that there is a rule of my plate which there's mostly nutritionists not disclose, but I will tell you for health and wellness of the society.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, so that's for Jazakallah.
That's the purpose of our podcast.
Yeah,
you know that.
That's for the Jazakallah. If I, neki ka badla neki hai. So if I do something good, the good will come to
Come
me
back.
also.
What goes around comes around.
Yeah. So I told you, whenever you are eating, even in the lunch or breakfast or dinner, your plate should be like this. Half plate of should have multigrain carbohydrate, and then
Vitamins.
Protein,
Yeah.
quarter protein, and a salad,
Yeah. Green.
like that. So it's everyday milk, like dal chawal. You are
Yeah.
eating dal. Dal has a protein.
Proteins.
Chawal rice. You can take brown rice
Yeah.
instead of white rice.
Yeah.
Dal chawal, and you can take salad. It's complete.
It's a good combo.
It's good combo.
Right.
Dal chawal, like that, and also you can take shami kebab into it. It's also nice, having protein into it.
I'm feeling hungry already after that.
Yeah, and shami kebab also. You can eat mutton also. Remove fat of mutton.
Yeah.
You can eat mutton, and as a protein, take the bread, gandum bread, wheat bread.
Yeah.
And bread should be in the limit also. One bread, not too much bread.
Yeah.
So you feel full. As our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whenever you eat, leave one part of your stomach. So why? There is everything. Every science is in the Quran. Is everything in the what Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says is really good, and people are now researching and proving that it is reality.
You also find in your research work?
Yes, we have the portion control. That portion control is like that. That's you should follow your fist.
Okay.
Your fist is like your stomach. Eat like your fist. This much. Yeah, this much fist. Your stomach, not more than that. So follow your fist.
So if you wanna increase your diet, you wanna eat more, you have to increase the size of your fist.
Yeah, increase your fist. But you can another food you can in the meanwhile, if you're feeling hungry, you eat green apple. You eat low glycemic index food. If you are on weight loss diet, if you're just healthy and you're fit and fine, you can eat all the fruit and vegetable, no problem. But if you are on a weight loss diet, you choose the low glycemic index fruit and vegetables. So that is low in sugar. Fruit and vegetable has also sugar. So when diabetic patients comes to us, we give them the low glycemic index, and weight loss. They are coming for weight loss. We also give them low glycemic index fruits and vegetables.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So when there is a patient coming, I am counseling them more and most of the time. If he has like 200 kilos, 180 kilo, one of my patient has lost from 180. Now he's 80 kg. So it will take only if you think that I need to eat this diet, if you are coming on weight loss diet, I need to eat this diet for for how many days I need to eat this diet. I cannot continue this diet. So follow the diet which you can continue every day. You can continue every day. Don't go for the high protein diet. Don't go for the keto diet. You cannot continue for a whole life. Choose a diet which you can eat every day. So,
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very interesting.
Add physical activity as well.
Yeah. Brilliant. I'm sure there were so many takeaways from this discussion today, from this podcast. And to me, what I understood is basically all of us, of course, so many things to learn from today's podcast. And all of us, we have got individual personality, individual physique, and individual everything, even our eye lens, eye scan, and the fingerprints. Same way, we should think seriously about our own nutrition and the diet plan, and we should follow that strictly. For every age, there is a diet plan which should be followed. And once you talk to an expert about this, try to use their expertise. And even if you have to pay for that, just pay and buy the plan and stick to your plan. And this plan is not only for your own self, even for your kids, maybe your mother, your father, because everybody is in a different age and everybody requires a diet plan. And once you know what kind of a food you are feeding, this is the best gift you can give to them. Not in love, you are ready to feed them for everything which is not even good for them, not good for their age, and we are just giving them whatever they ask for. So the best thing would be if we say that we really love our family, our friends, we should help them by making a good diet plan for them and let them follow that, because all the sicknesses are within us, and all these sicknesses we can control through our own intake, because this is the way our immune system can fight against all the diseases what we have inside. Once our immune system becomes weak, then we start to get attack from the sicknesses what we have inside. So I think it was wonderful experience for all of us to learn lots of things from you. I really, really appreciate it, and thank you for coming to the show today.
Thank you for having me here. I forgot to say thanks to you.
That's fine.
Thank you for having me here and bring this nutrition topic, because you care about your audience, and that's why you bring this topic here. And I also want to educate the people about that, because once Hippocrates says that if you don't take the food as medicine, then you will have to eat medicine as a food.
Yeah, true.
So you just focus on your food and your healthy food. Go your healthy lifestyle. Many people are living the healthy lifestyle, and I wish everyone to get fit and healthy.
Yeah, that's what we wish. We want a healthy and a fit family, society, countries, nations overall. So this is what we want to see the world to be healthy and fit. And if you have got any questions, and you can always leave comments down below, and then ask any questions you have. We will forward them to Fatima. You can get the plan from her, and if you need the whole plan for you, you can also contact them, and then you can get your diet plan. And at the same time, I would say, please listen to this podcast. If you like it, you think there is value in it, share with your loved ones. Ask them to listen to these podcasts so you can help yourself and you can help everybody else. And subscribe to the channel and like the podcast if you like it. And don't forget to share with your loved ones. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.